I've received another package. Here's a box like this one. Inside the kit, you could say it's a construction set for building a power bank. There's a lid like this. A small board for charging and discharging voltage and current is removable. And a case for 8 batteries. Now let's take a look at what this board represents, how it works, and what it can do. With the lid, as we can see, the Chinese didn't calculate correctly. That is, the hole is much larger than this indicator here. Either the lid was different, or the indicator itself, or the board was different. Well, in short, they slapped it together from what they had. From one board ran out, but the lids remained, and it's still being sold. Why not sell it? Well, the main thing is that it all works. It's still a construction set, after all. This little plate here, I thought about taking out the batteries or hiding the cover, but it turned out simpler. It's just a little window for the front panel. It glues on here like this. You can remove this tape and glue on a window like this, and everything will look a bit more interesting. The lid, as we can see, is attached without any tricks. That is, there are just these latches here on one side, second, third, and fourth. And if you change the batteries often, I think these latches will quickly wear out and break. For charging our power bank's battery, there are 2 ports here, Type-C and micro USB. And to charge devices, there are 2 USBs. These are 2 LEDs for the flashlight. Then down from this side here, the power bank itself and the flashlight. Now we will put the batteries in here and check how it will work. The name of this chip is MP52216F. They rubbed off all the numbers and letters here. It's unclear. I couldn't read this one either. There seem to be some numbers and letters, but they are unreadable. The board is attached with 2 screws. You can look at the designation of this indicator if anyone needs to. Now I will put in 2 old 18650 batteries that I have in any of these slots. Let's see how all this will charge and output current. The plus in this power bank is on this side. There is a marking here. The minus, as we see, is here. Now I will insert any battery. Plus to this side in any slot, minus here. As we can see, the indicator lit up and then stopped. I'll connect the tester now and see how it all works. Connecting the tester to any port, or for example here. Okay, as we can see, there is voltage here. The indicator also showed something. Now in the second port, there is voltage too on the indicator. It also shows something. I understand is the charge of this battery. Okay, and to turn the flashlight on or off, I press this button. Everything disappears. In this port there is power. I press it, it disappears. And to get the flashlight working, I need to hold down this button, I assume. Let's press it twice. It's working. 1, 2. Doesn't seem to work. Once more. 2, 3. Does it trigger on the 3rd time or what? It's unclear. 1, 2. 1, 2. So you either need to press it 2 or 3 times to get the flashlight working. I'll measure the voltage on the battery. It shows 4.1. So the battery is almost fully charged. Now we'll put in this discharged one. Here I think it's 3.112. Let's see what the indicator shows. Yes, 3. I'm inserting this one, making sure plus is on plus, minus on minus. Okay, turning it on. Well, 19%, so the indicator works too. Here's 3.5 volt. That's 3.5 volt. Now, I'll put this charged battery back in and try to charge the phone. Charge the battery itself and see how it works. I'll charge it with this Type-C charger. This is the second one. Micro USB, since there are 2 ports here too. One Type-C, the other micro USB. I'm unplugging it. I'm plugging it into the main. There, charging has started. As we can see, the indicator is just blinking like this. So when it reaches 100, I assume it will either turn off or stop blinking like this. Right now I want to connect it to this port. Connecting. That's it. The indicator stopped. And isn't blinking. And it turned off completely. Okay, now micro USB. Plugging it in. Micro USB. And now I'll also test the output, how it will charge the phone. Now I'll connect the phone, check how it will charge the phone. Let's say over here. Actually, not like that. This one goes here. And this one to the phone. This one to the phone, connecting the phone to charge. It'll think for a moment and start working. Charging is here. Turning on the second port. We can put this tester here, just for interest. Here's the tester. Now it will start charging the phone. Charging has started, and the tester also shows that it's working. The icon appeared. Now the indication will appear. I've disconnected the mobile phone. Naturally, the tester shows zeros. And the conclusion is that this power bank assembly kit is worth buying. It works, as you've seen, both for charging and output. The price is about $5. So for those interested, buy it, assemble it, and use it.